Alright, getting into fitness, I know is not easy. It's one of the hardest things you're probably going to ever do in your life. Now, when people first get into fitness, they think they're going to be able to look like maybe a guy like this, or maybe a girl like this. Most of the time, that's not going to happen at the beginning. You have to understand where you're at. People are scared of the gym. People are scared of sweating. People are scared to actually move their body because they're scared of the pain. You have to get over that. But don't worry about it. I'm here to help you in this video. We're going to talk about a few things on how we were able to, start our fitness journey and what I did to get myself into shape. I'm in shape a little bit. I'm not going to stop the camera. It's a little weird. Let's just keep going. So, your first tip is going to be don't rush into things. Start slow. When people first get into fitness, they think they have to go hurry up and get a membership or work out every day at home and do 2-3 hours of strenuous workouts until they practically can't move. No, it's all about starting at square one. First, you want to maybe start walking around the neighborhood, probably about 30 minutes. And if you have a dog, that's even better because you're probably already walking your dog already. But I would say go walk every other day for Monday, Wednesday, Friday, something like that. Go walk for about 30 minutes to an hour. Get some walks in there, get some things rolling. 2, you want to step up. You want to start doing some more body weight workouts. Here at Calisthenics Workout Complex, we love body weight workouts. I have a few videos on this channel, man. Make sure y'all figure out a few of them. I got beginner workouts, so don't be afraid of those. I'll incorporate at least maybe one workout out the week where you can be able to do maybe some squats, some jumping jacks, some crunches, stuff like that. You want to get your body used to the way you're breathing and get more familiar with your body. So I would say start doing some home workouts. Number 3 is actually creating a schedule when you're going to wake up in the morning. Figure out a time to wake up a little bit early in the morning. Get enough sleep is very crucial to your fitness journey. You want to be able to have enough rest, to be able to, get to work, get your workout in each and every day when you start doing workouts every day, but you are working. So you want to make sure you incorporate these things very slowly. Makes sense. Start looking at certain things regarding your diet. I know you want to get into physical shape, you want to look a certain way, but you're going to have to focus a little bit on your diet. You can't just eat ho-hos and McDonald's and Burger King and all that crazy stuff, and then you're going to achieve the physique that you really want, so you're going to look good and live long, That's what we want. That's why we're on this channel. That's why you click this video. So you can achieve those goals. So you want to, pay attention to your diet. You want to start to be able to do things very gradually like you did with your fitness. You want to be able to, create different habits. Maybe you're going to incorporate more water in your diet. Maybe you're going to start cutting out, instead of you doing 3 sodas, you'd be able to do maybe, 2 sodas or something like that. You want to be able to graduate and get better and better at it. You'll see the difference when you start doing your workouts. Big difference. Don't worry about him. You want to look good about yourself. You want to go ahead and, get some better workout gear. You want to have nice workout gear. There's a saying that when you look good, you feel good. When you feel good, you're going to be able to work harder. So when you have nice workout gear, you can go to the cheap place. You ain't got to spend hundreds of dollars at Nike and all those crazy places. Go ahead and be able to get something really nice so you can be able to feel good while you're working out. Even if you're doing home workouts, you want to be able to look good in the mirror and say, I'm going to get this done. You want to be in some weird... Hold on, I think somebody's coming through the door.
I'm just walking up the stairs.
Oh.
Alright.
Messing up my video.
Oh, Teddy!
Messing up my video.
I'll call you back. Oh, I'm sorry. Alright, bye.
See how it is? So, I can say what I diet. No, I already finished our diet. We're going on to our workout gear. Like I said, you want to look good while you're working out. I think you should be able to get a gym membership. Now, same way, do not go to the gym and think you're just going to lift the heaviest on there. You're going to go squat 300 pounds. You're going to go bench press 200. No, we're not going to start there. Go to the gym and maybe get about 20 minutes of a good workout. Dumbbell presses, some squats, some curls, something like that. And for the ladies, go in and just, some lunges. You want to get more familiar with coming into the gym, because I know starting off in fitness, it's a little scary to jump into the gym when you see all these people that's been there for years and you looking at their physiques and you think that you want to get there that day, or you're a little ashamed that you may not look the way they look. That's why we start at home. That's why we start with our home workouts, as we see. So you'll have already a mentality like, I can be able to achieve that. So Take your time, maybe 2 days out of the week, go for 20 minutes, be able to lift a few weights, have your headphones on, do your thing. Make sure you're reading the instructions on these machines to make sure you're doing things correctly. You'll be good to go. And the last tip I would say is work on the vitamins that you put into your body. The number one that I always prescribe to people is going to be right here. It's a brain boost. Love this product right here. It's from Nutriment First. I'll put the links at the bottom so you guys can pick up some. I take these in the morning, 2 in the morning before I eat. It helps me to stay together. What else do we have in here? It helps with my brain. Helps me to think clear. The other day I got vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, almost like a multivitamin. But it helps me stay sharp throughout the day because I know I have to wake up at a good time when I want to work out. I want to make sure I eat correctly. I want to make sure I'm focused when I'm in the gym. I'm getting my body together. I'm staying strong. So take these tips when you're first starting off working out because I believe everybody should work out. You want to be a part of that 10% of people that are in shape and not that 90% of people that are unhealthy. Any questions? I'm around. You want to come ruin my video again?
Sorry, baby.
I'll see y'all next one.